Hello guys, welcome to my video. So in today's video, I will tell you about Canva. So this Canva has been a very popular website which has been used for designing, animation, and multiple things. So in today's video, I will tell you about the Canva and show the Canva website where we can see Canva design is spotlight, business, education, planning, pricing, learn, and create a design. I have logged in my account. Home Magic Studio project template brand apps. What will you design today? For you, document white. These are some of the things which I will given, like document, whiteboard, presentations, posters, social media, videos, website, and furthermore, recent design. These are also designs that I have made them earlier in within the some days. Sorry for that because I made the tailor is we technical is we technical Barkha Mahnoor Technical, some of the details, how do you play. So these were some of my work. I will show you the how to use. So this here we can switch the accounts, pro Harris notes, some of the hack wall. So I will show you something while designing, like create a design. So YouTube, I will show you a channel logo. So from here, so this will be the canvas which will be video. So I will use about pro. Oh, pro Canva. I've been speak to the team or about Canva. Oh my god, no issue at all. I will use this. Go here. From here I can change multiple things, remove the watermark, as well as multiple things we can utilize about our plans and something like that. Here you can see dash, we can remove, we can change the color, we can change the canvas like this. Multiple things can be happen, we can put it here and here. So these are the usage of the Canva. Oh my god, I've changed the all color right there. Oh my god, a purple. Your Harley Davidson Indigo की औलाद. So I will change and show how to optical. ये लो. So these are some of the things which have been mentioned. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm back. So studio showed we. So these are the details of the Canva, that how should we will utilize the Canva and something and this stuff and the multiple. You can see there are the templates of the Canva as well. So I think you will see there is a picture, text, and multiple things you can do from the Canva, and these are the text. So I think we'll be utilizing these things in our future as well. So you can see there is an, I can add this. I think I can, yeah, I've added this in our. I will be writing something where you can see there will be some changing. So I have written some detail of this Canva, and I will be writing some sparkle and the templates in this where you can find and will be the beneficial for you guys as well. So this is the Canva. Wait a second, I will be writing something as well for you guys. I think that would be the end of video. Bye.